welcome to Let's Play Fancy Pants Adventures World 1. This is Gumball Human. Now last time we got thrashed by a spider and a mouse and fell down obstacles and shit. But this time I'm going to try and make bigger. I wanted to delete that video, but like I said, it goes down in Let's Play history. Because it's my first one. I'm not going to delete my first Let's Play. It's kind of sad. Yeah. This video will be pretty short, so I won't need to talk as much. Yeah, that's exactly. Yeah. See there? I recognise my failures. You don't get many people who accept the failures. God, so many damn spiders. I need to put on a lot of them. This is the end of the game, by the way, but technically we haven't finished yet because there's Fancy Pants World 2 as well, which is way fun and got way more options and noticeable customization settings. And damn, there. I just look like the decent for once. Even if this isn't the end of the game, practically kind of is. Where Penguin. Ouch, bitch, do you know it's rude to interrupt people's sleep? I'll tell you what happens to people that just might sleep, you little shit. Take that little shit. Oh yeah. Yo, bro, go get some of my balls. Yo, bro. Step it up, bro. Good story, bro. Me and me homies been chilling, man. Gotcha, bro. What you gonna do now? What you gonna do now, bro? What you gonna do now? Fucked. Charge. Eliminated like a bitch. You beat World 1 to be continued. Victory is mine. Sounds dumb. See you bitches in World 2. Yeah. Thanks for watching.